Hi guys, I've just logged into one of my accounts here and I just want to show you some stats. Now I want to see people reached here, post engagements. Now watch as I go down and also look at the money that was spent. This is the main thing. Okay, so from $2.94, we've created 2,129 people it's reached, and engagement we've had 336. That's just from 2 quid, 3 quid. Now let's keep on going down. So I just want to show you here what kind of results we're getting. So it's 4,832 people reached, 871 people reacted, and that's just with €9. Let's keep on going down. There you go. Look, 8,000 people, 3,229 people reacted. That's just with $15. Now, you tell me, just from one client here, just from one client, you can sell a product, depending on what product you're selling. Now, some products is higher commission, some products is low commission, depending on what you're selling. But my point is here, you can do this in any business you're in. Look at this one here. 15,292 people saw this offer. They saw this offer. 2,835 reacted with €35 spent. Now you tell me, back in the day, we used to have a clothes shop. Now, do you know how much traffic or people, let's just call traffic people, needed to walk past our shop so we can sell? This is the power of the internet. You can get your product in 15,000 in front of 15,000 targeted people that are interested in this, for just 35 quid, or even 10 quid, or even 2 quid. Look, let's keep them going down. Look, let's just see a few more here. €8 spent to 6,000 people. All I need is one client here to sell this house or rent this house. One. Let's keep them going down. 10,000 people here. $29 spent. €29 spent. 3,826 people reacted. Now you tell me, do you reckon I found one person reacted? Of course they did. Let's keep on going. 5,654. Small percentage. What house was it? Anyway, let's keep on going. Look at these stats here. I want to look at it. So you can be selling anything you wish. Anything you wish. And this is how you sell your products nowadays. You don't, that's why you see so many shops closing from whatever part of the world you are. New ones opening. But the things, if you don't know the power of the internet, you don't know how to handle the internet, you don't know how to use Facebook in the right way, you don't know how to use the ads in the right way, then you're just going to keep on spending money, and it's not targeted people. It needs to be targeted. People that are looking for your product. So this is just one little video I just wanted to shoot out. Let me know if it's any value to you. But you can do this. You need to open a page for your business, and you can do this. It's simple, but you need to be consistent. Now, what you need to do is open a page. So many of you may have a personal page, whatever it is, and you need to go and create a page. Once you create a page, there's an app. It's called Lead Pages on Apple, Android, whatever it is, and it's called Lead Pages. It's got a picture of a yellow flag, and Once you download that, you can even do this on your phone. So you don't even have to log into your computer and do this. You say boost. Let me show you. See, every time you see here where it says boost post, press on that, okay, and all these things start coming up. So you start filling it in. People you like your page, who you want to target, people who like your page, people who live in Cyprus. If you want to make your group smaller, you enter your budget, and it will tell you from your budget that you put, it will tell you how many people you're looking to spend. There you go, 16 people. Yep. 16. It's going to make 8,800 people. Definitely worth it. You can spread it within 7 days. Add your payment, and you're ready to go. You spend it over as €2.28. Now, if you can't spend that in your business every day, then you don't deserve to have a business. You know, you need to put out to get results. So, and this is how you get it in front of people nowadays. Okay, gone are the old days. The old days, yeah. We used to put 15 rails right outside the shop, and it used to be like a market. Crazy. Don't need to do that anymore. This is the new way. So, if this was helpful, let me know. Come on board. There's going to be a link below somewhere. And this stuff is life-changing stuff. You need to be consistent, and you need to know how to target. So, see you on the other side, guys. God bless.